Okay, for reading today, you're going to go to your Seesaw and you are going to click on August 19th reading, and you're working on a sentence patterning chart. When you click Add Response, click your name, and then this kind of screen will show up. I'm going to want you to drag each of these words into the correct column in your sentence patterning chart. So my blue words go in the blue column, my pink words go in the pink column, and green in the green column. Now, today I gave you your noun. Today I picked giraffe as our noun, and I picked two adjectives that describe our giraffe. So I picked the words tall and yellow. So my giraffe is tall and yellow. Those are describing words or adjectives. Then I picked a verb, so something that a giraffe does. Today I picked that they run. And then for a prepositional phrase, which we have been talking about this week, which is where something is located, I put in the savannah. Those are your blue words. You drug them to the blue box. Now, when we have a sentence patterning chart filled in like this, we can use it to build a sentence. So at the bottom, you're going to click here in this box, and you're going to need to erase where it says type your sentence here so that it's blank. And we're going to make a sentence. If we say, the tall yellow giraffe runs in the savannah, that's a complete sentence. So all I have to add is the at the beginning, and then I type tall yellow giraffe and then I go to my green column and I write runs, and my prepositional phrase is in the savannah. In the savannah. And I put a period at the end because I always need a period and I always need a capital letter. So my complete sentence on this sentence patterning chart is the tall yellow giraffe runs in the savannah. Today you're going to practice doing this exact same sentence. Go see if you can try it out yourself.